I always think of you, alone within this room, when there's nothing else to do. So I take a drink or two, I light my cigarette, I take a puff or two, I pass it on to you. I see your gentle lips, make contact with the tip. I'm always telling you, I'll never stop loving you.
Alright, so me and Levon made it to Los Lunas, my BB Goral. And we're here. Hello, Rodman. This is Rodman's 1G. We're going to be removing the cylinder head off this thing today, so I'm pretty excited.
Oh, there's a ratchet over there and it has the longer extension.
Levon's already jumped right in.
I'll never stop loving you. We're having conversations, but I guess I pushed your patience. Then you started raging. I said, let's get you home then, before it starts to raining. You know the roads are broken. You know my heart is broken. The hatred that you holding, you know your words are hurting. Always say you love me, but I caught you lying one too many times, and seem like you're always hiding the truth from me and yourself. Tell me, what is this about? Why you're always crying? Am I the source of your violence? Your friends are always biased, paint me as the villain. I'm sorry I don't have billions to take away your problems, to take away your stressing, but I do have a heart for you, and I hope you get this message.
Here we have Rodman in his natural habitat. Rodman's back here telling me he don't got muscle. My ass.
Remember to get it, to take it out. That's why I don't have a speedo in the car right at the moment.
Really?
Yeah.
It's okay. I have like everything, most of the things work. My gas gauge doesn't work, nor does my oil pressure. My temp works though. My temp, my RPMs, and my fuel. I mean my speedo.
Well, if you don't have your temp hooked up, the car won't start.
That's true.
So if it's not working, it's not going to start.
Which makes me happy because it is working.
But yeah, I don't have the oil. Haven't had the oil on here in a long time.
No, yeah.
It just becomes routine where I do whenever I put gas in it, check the oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same. Not really for me. I kind of just check it like once a week. And it's been good because, I mean, my car doesn't leak much. I think it just burns most of its oil.
If you look under, you can see that mine leaks a lot. Let me get you the little thingy. Where the hell is that bag? Cool. You know, whenever you're ready. Oh, thank you. It's gonna be real nice.
I don't know why that looks so natural for Rodman to do.
Stay, man. Stay right there. All right. Let's see what I got done with this fucking stupid ass nonsense.
Juan's in here putting work. Rodman's over here got his hand arm deep in some 4G63.
Alright, yeah, let's just fuck it. Okay, cool. Sweet. Forgot I did that. So knock sensor is complete.
The knock. D. It's complete.
Oh, it's D-complete, I guess.
D-complete. Disassembled?
Yeah. I forgot it. The little brace that sits in the back.
Yeah.
I I don't bolt that up to the intake manifold.
Is that bad for it? Who knows and who cares, am I right?
Car starts and runs and it's all good. Yeah, that's all that matters. Actually, give me that back for the...
Hey, I don't like the sound of that.
Just had the AutoZone there.
So that's from the AutoZone of the Black Cherry car?
Yeah.
I saw that earlier whenever I pulled it. I was like, well, look, it's a baby piston. I showed it to him. It's sick as heck, dude.
You got a cool little memory for that.
So for those of you who don't know, when I first met Rodman, or when me and Levon first met Rodman, he had told us a story. He had a Black Cherry 1G DSM. He had gone out to, was it Chino?
Yeah.
Chino, California to go get it. And it was a great story. We were here for a good amount of time and without even realizing it. So, I mean, props. I wouldn't have done that for a 1G. Hell no.
This was back in 2004 when there was still some value in 1G.
Oh. Don't get me wrong, I love my car, but to drive all the way to, or get all the way to Chino and get it back, no, I'm good.
Yeah, alright, sweet.
I would have just looked at the ad, reminisced, and then continued on.
I wanted a DSM, I wanted an all-wheel drive, boosted DSM. That bad.
And look at you now.
Because remember, my first one was a front-wheel drive.
Is that the white one?
Yeah.
Yeah. But they're lighter, aren't they? The front wheel drives?
Yeah, but still front-wheel drive. Yeah. What he said.
Like you said last time, race some Hondas.
I'm the same way right now.
Race some Hondas.
All-wheel drive so bad now. Yeah, but that was back in the day. Now I would have a front-wheel drive, and yes, I would use it to race more Hondas.
Oh, my favorite. Should have seen there was this Accord as we were driving through like Bosque Farms, and as we were going through, he was literally just like blipping the throttle, and I was like, okay. Right, Levon?
Yeah.
Over here, lost. Where does Rodman live? Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm lost.
Don't be scared.
And this Honda's just next to me. Blah, blah.
Some of the washes are still in there. I don't know if... Alright, want those up to your room? Yeah, we'll get those here in a second. Let's get these studs out. Sorry, I gotta do this really, really slow and old-fashioned way. Use an actual Allen key to get them out. You can't just pull it off with the studs in? Yeah, but I've never done that because I'm usually out here by myself.
Lonely man.
Just force a habit.
Feels bad.
I'm not a very strong person per se. I'm pulling them up to pull the head up over the studs and everything. Yeah. Plus, that's not how I was taught. So. Back and forth for water.
That is a thick boy. Holy crap.
ARPs.
You're making me really want to pull the trigger on some ARPs, Rodman.
Dude, all you gotta do is just do them one at a time.
Just like this?
No. Just do them one at a time with the motor and everything on the car.
Do I just have to remove the valve cover?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you do it with the cam still in too, or do you have to take out the cams? I think you can leave the cams in. Oh.
Oh, Levon, I'm going to zoom in on that so hard. Hope you're ready for this video. Alright, so we pulled off the cylinder head for Rodman's car. Ow! I just hit my leg in the bumper. You did. You say sorry. Yeah, we got a small problem, Chief. Small problem. Throw it back together, it'll be good. You can make one more good pass, you're good. Yeah, I mean, this is insane. So.
Mind you, I took it took both the batteries back to AutoZone like 2 or 3 more times, and they told me the same thing. The one out of the Black Cherry was no good.
Yeah.
And the one out of the 1.8 was good. But the 1.8 wouldn't start the car. The one out of the Black Cherry would start the car, hold the charge, as long as I didn't do something stupid like leave it sitting for a couple months.
With the lights on
or with the lights on, anything like that.
Yeah.
And start up every fucking time.
Wow.
Did you ever end up figuring it out, or just AutoZone was just stupid?
Option B.
Option B. I got this one off Rayleigh's, or out of Rayleigh's.
Yeah.
$120. I was like, I need a battery. I was like, fuck it.
Did I tell you the starter story?
Yeah. Starter story.
Alright, so we used to have this Taurus.
Yeah.
Starter one.
Yeah.
Turn the key, nothing happens. So I take it off. Thank God Ford was generous enough to put the starter in the front of the motor instead of behind.
Makes it easier on you, yeah.
Because it's a transverse mounted V6, and there's no way in hell my fucking short little fat arms is gonna get that shit.
Gonna fat finger it.
Yeah. And so I took it off. We walked into AutoZone because it stopped starting at right next to the AutoZone. So
Yeah.
and the lady's, oh yeah, I'll test it. And we go in there. She gets it all up going. Goes through. And then it stops. And like seriously, at exact same time, both things happen. The green pass light comes on. A big puff of smoke comes out of the starter. This is all poof. At the exact same time. She's all, it says pass, but I don't think it's gonna get passed. I'm like, okay. She's all, let's go get you a starter. So we got a starter, bolted it back up, started right on.
Heck yeah, dude. I feel like they rig their machines to say pass even if it's bad. Just from my own experiences with AutoZone and with O'Reilly's and stuff, I feel like they do that to their machines just to make a sale.
But yeah, dude, I was like, what? This big puff of smoke comes out of this.
I would have busted out laughing super hard at that moment, dude. I'd be like, wow.
So I think AutoZone's got their shit not wired right or
Yeah, or
something's
something's
wrong.
not up.
If you look here, see this? This is what has me worried. Fuck, I don't know if I can reuse this head. Yeah, all these pieces falling off is the porcelain.
Oh, maybe if
spark
you
plug.
just machine it, get it machined.
Yeah, but if you look at them, like here, it's kind of deep, and this is at the edge of the sealant chamber. Fuck, I don't know if I can use this head again. That sucks.
Yeah, that's definitely gonna suck. So was that what sent this one down the hole? Was a pump on the 85 tune?
Yeah.
Damn, so that's
Like before, like what I was trying to do, because the car sat for like 2 years before that.
Mhm.
What I was just trying to do is trying to clean the injectors out.
Oh.
So I was running gas and seafoam through the thing, and
It's understandable because a lot of people do that. They have to clean out the injectors, otherwise they get to shit.
and what I did is I soaked them in seafoam for a few days beforehand, the actual injectors, and then I put them back in the car, and then half a tank, I think I did, of gas, and then a bottle of seafoam. And I was just running it through, just trying to clean it up, and then I was just being stupid and got on it too much. Like what I would normally do, because we don't have an E85 pump here, is I put, depending on the price, I put anywhere from $2.50 to $5 of gas in it, just to get me to that station right there on Rio Bravo.
The Valero?
Broadway.
The Valero Circle K.
Yeah. And, I'd get on a little bit to use what was in there. But it wouldn't be anything major. It'd only be like 2-3 seconds. And I wouldn't let it boost too much.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I turned on Main Street and I'm off. open. Oh shit.
That's not a good sound.
Right.